Bought my cat a scratchy pole and he loves it. The second that we put it on the ground, he came over and started playing with it.
He loves it?
It's a Pet One Scratchy pole.
He always wants it. That mouth is no.
It's good to buy your pet something and they actually like it.
Yeah.
Come over to try the other side out. Good cat. Now you can stop scratching the crap out of the carpet. Come on, dog, keep going.
He totally loves it. He's going to like, watch this.
So we sell these scratchy poles at Majestic Aquariums. You can buy them on our website, majesticaquariums.com.au. Pet One's got a nice big range of scratchy poles and looks like he likes it. If this means you can stop scratching the crap out of my carpet, I'll be really happy.
Boy, he bit it. He bit it. Keep going. He's going like, what's this? Can I scratch it?
Sure can, mate. Scratch that all you want.
We built this just for you to scratch. Do anything you want to it. Look at him go! He loves it!
He does love it, doesn't he?
Yeah.
It's funny how he knew it was for him.
He's going like, what's in there? He loves it!
I reckon he's going to rip that off pretty soon.
And it's only its first day here.
I reckon he'll rip it off by the end of the first day.
Yeah. He loves it so much. Do it! Get it!
Did you want to video it for a second?
He's going like,